Now let's move this section beyond point C such that your section XX is now between point C and D and at a distance x from origin A. Now if we write the bending moment equation about section XX, considering the left hand side of section, we'll have first a clockwise moment due to this upward vertical support direction at a distance x from section XX, so VA into x, minus 2000 multiplied by x minus 2 meter as this, and there will be additional clockwise moment of 1500 Newton meter. So we write plus 1500, and we write it in this way such that it is acting at a distance of x minus 4 meter from origin A, and we put the index as 0, meaning that this term x minus 4 to the power 0 has no value and its value is equal to 1. So 1500 multiplied by 1 will be equal to 1500, which is the value of the moment. The significance of adding this term will be when we integrate this whole equation in order to get a slope and deflection equation. Now we see that this whole equation is valid between point C and D. So let's put it into another partition, which is the third partition and the final one, and we say that this whole equation is valid between point C and D. So this is a bending moment equation using Macaulay's method. So now integrating the above equation with respect to x, we have your EI d square y by dx square will become EI dy by dx equal to, we'll have VA into x square by 2 plus we add the constant of integration C1 into the same first partition, then minus 2000 into x minus 2 square by 2, then second partition, then plus 1500 into x minus 4. Now integration of x minus 4 to the power 0 will be x minus 4 to the power 1. Now this is into the third partition. Here we see that C1 is the constant of integration, and this equation is called as slope equation, since it has a term dy by dx which is nothing but slope theta. Now again integrating this slope equation with respect to x, we have EIY is equal to VA into x cube by 2 multiplied by 3 plus C1 into x, plus we add another constant of integration C2, which will be inside this first partition. Next we have 2000 into x minus 2 cube divided by 2 multiplied by 3, second partition, plus 1500 into x minus 4 square by 2 into the third partition. Now we see that in this equation your C2 is another constant of integration, and this equation can be called as deflection equation, since this equation has this y term which is your deflection. Our next step is to find the constants of integration, that is your C1 and C2, using boundary condition. So we apply the first boundary condition. Now we see that at point A your deflection is 0, since point A is support. So we can write at x is equal to 0 or YA is equal to 0. So now putting the value of x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in deflection equation up to first partition, since the equation up to first partition is valid between point A and B, we have EI into y equal to 0 is equal to VA into x square by 2 plus C1 into x, which is 0, plus C2. So upon solving this, we get the value of constant of integration C2 as 0. Next we apply the second boundary condition. Now we see that at point D your deflection is 0, since your point D is a support. It may be a roller support or hinge support. So we can write at x is equal to 7 meters, your YD is equal to 0. Now putting the value of x equal to 7 meter and YD equal to 0 in this deflection equation up to the third partition, since we know the equation up to third partition is valid between point C and D, we have EI into y, which is equal to 0, is equal to VA into x square by 2. Now putting the value of VA as 1214.29 into x square, x is 7 meter upon 2, plus C1 into 7 plus C2 is 0, first partition, minus 2000 into 7 minus 2 cube upon 2 into 3, second partition, plus 1500 into 7 minus 4 square divided by 2, the third partition. In this equation we see the only unknown is your C1, so upon calculation we get the value of C1 equal to minus 4928. Now substituting the value of constants of integration and rewriting the slope and deflection equation. So we rewrite the slope and deflection equation with the values of constants and your support reaction VA.